Nato me do benami. Fag ben kape avalaji. Egba me do awo ya menye be de me va politics wo for nade me dibe maglo. Nade pa me dibe maglo. Ni me dibe maglo nyebe. Me enye ame abe enye maglo le nyo previous video. Be me vote na MPP. Menye be de ko me choko ya me vote na MPP o. Elego me sede. Te fe me le la krade. Nye kple onu abode we mi no godo gbesi agbe. Menye go menye be me nwa be afe o awo. Me ya gbo me lo. Te fe me le de. Te fe me le nyo afe. Te fe yi me le dowole. Kple ame yo me susu be wa te wana national cake mi ame wa su mi asire. Ofe nu popo yata wabe mete unde afoma. Ele go mesinam de. Bo mako 10 minutes ya mako de na de go menawe. Ghana mile na de kemele nyonyo. Ele go meside. Zigbanto inye me vote na MPP de e anye fe iva yime. Ya me hade honorable ya. Me hade honorable ya. Honorable Jako. Ple honorable Kennedy Japan. Nyeri amede ya ole. Nye kpli omi do agogbe si agbe. Menye wa do metore keme na muasi dikpo. Elego mesidam ne. But I believe in the small vision they have. Elego mesidama. He ku fovain enye me no do ole hotel. He ku fo no anyi. Hotel ya me no do ole. Voice onye benefit. Elego mesidam de. Your family we benefit. Le ku fo fe game. So I was still having that idea. Vova said gbe me pona de nchoji nyojicho. Awa be ma dom yaji kra. Zigban tokpe susonye amela oyado. Magado e ko video re. Zigban tokpe susonye mi le Ghana du come enu me le mi apa. Yo vo fiafito yo va u mi atogbewe. Va fi mi atogbewe. Va fiafu mi atogbewe re. Mede okuna omega kpojiku no mojine na doto. Yo va fi mi atogbewe. Va fiafuwe. Va wuwe. Datuwe. Elego mesinamde. Wo voya ko Biblia cover na mi. Vo wa ya gale abusa mo subo. Wa ya gale oko tude o me gale ile gbogbo. Mi atowe. Ve verse se ya me kole nufu. Me do awu ya me ba zigban tokpe susonye ya. Yata me le gbogbo. Ne mia tenwa wo de ka. Ya nyebe Duncan William fe idea yo cover. Mi atenwa support de via. Adom yaji. Elego mesinama. Enye nto nyo didi ya me cover vote na MPP. Pole yimi le Ghana du come no me le nyonyo fiafito ya over fi mi atogbewe. Bla ko yi 400 years ago. Vobe 200 years ago ya Yesu Kristo va. Mi kwema ko dada akpachi. 400 years ago onya gbalengengre onya ngongo. Over fiafu mi atogbewe lowe ko ide America be yo yi Nigeria yo Nigeria pe. O wo vogo va colonize me. Mi atowe me be na le video ya poko top video na na hanu leji. Elego mesenam de. Ya yovo ya wo ni ya togbi ple mi atogbe ovore. Ya o ga cho egbe fe nkeke ya. Egbe fa gbe unke ya. Ne yovo fiafito magbona de Africa re. E kama mi akomi avio cover 3 line. Mi cover online na we. Be no British flag fly. No America flag fly. Mi atowe gbe kagbe Africa mi apo susu avavu. Enya biase lo. Gbe kagbe mi apo susu avavu. Pali Africa le dirty da. Bon amegbeto dilevu me apo les ozo yi na de mo chofe. If you come up bridge, our roads are not safe. And mododo me le mi ase but look at the road. Elego me sina look at the road. Bridge akpabe bridge do dasile hun. Elego me sina de do dasile bridge hun. O me le hun dowo pale vuchi gotamera and the British man is coming. A country that you rule and you could not even take care of it. After you rob it from the gold, you rob it from the slave, you rob it from the gold, rob it from the sources, the resources. Ghana is not perfect. But Ghana, the name Gold Coast is a disappointed given by the British. It's a wicked name given by the British. We are never Gold Coast. We are never Gold Coast. And we will never be Gold Coast. The name Ghana doesn't fit the country we are. Look at the modern 21st century. 21st century, look at the car. A car is stagnant in a muddy water. How can you be called Ghana? A disgraceful name. And then they say we should not mega blow. Mia blow. Leke wava fimia togbe ava jira dewe ne fiafito ma oga gbo Africa yin eke ma waga ko mia towe mia police service we our police service that's supposed to guide the nation, supposed to be guiding some bank that armed robber will not attack it. You will send that our Ghana armed forces will wake up and be guiding such criminals who come to the country to steal our properties. Please, jokes aside, they have never done good in the beginning and they will never do good in the future. Rwanda unchude enyonu de ono na de ofia ole gbogbo be dagbe a miabo president Akufo-Addo eyire France vai lobby some agenda over there eya nto egbolo be yima akọ dasi Ghana chi wo be wa akọ dasi ano medeku minamga medeku mianamga. You sound very brilliant, you MPP sound very confidential. Nami hope, but at the end of the day, France was there. Either Britain, either US. Obama sro a member Obama. Look at Donald Trump a Slovak Africa, ever Ghana. Miabe port where mami vudade plane when you ma over country ma check well. Fiafitoma over country ma check well. What is going on in Ghana? If the amicho, minago mesenam minamicho, nami wodeka. Minamicho nemi wodeka. I regretted, this is my first and last. I regretted voting for MPP. Seriously. Hey, yeah, this is the worst disappointment I've ever seen. Britain, me buy check you there go. Never buy check. Wickedness done to the Indians by the British. Then I pon you work order. Fiafito de come so klo ajo blaswa de come so klo. Ele go me senam de. And we will not allow our own people to be guiding them and be protecting them. Based on what? Based on what? Egomede. Ya ole fuma le mi fi zaklekali. Egomede. Fiafito ya otogbi. Mi atowe mega kofe kro e bia mi na mi wodeka. Aha. Mi abonku biazo. Mi na mi wodeka mi abonku biazo. Mi ma kofe kro. Ele go me senam de. Ele ko ne ameawe Israel towe apartheid policy le South Africa de wawe no ameibo wawe le na tu no ameibo apartheid policy wawe le na ameibo we wawe dana tu ameibo we elego me senam de aha apartheid policy de wawe dana ameibo we fiafito de kame me so plo ajobla so so yami vale nyinyi pe we ya Donald le fiafito ya otogbo na Africa de yami dasile ohun ya ole vava ole no fedi fifia va dasile mosquito le Burkina Faso wa va wumi atowe o dasile Burkina Faso ne ni ajo le Burkina Faso pale o datu amegbetora amegoton o do po me ya o datu kaka over nade wo da ya me wicked people like that no gbo ko de obe no mega gbo no gbo ko de obe no mega gbo fiafito de kame so pe o ava fiafu mi atogbo sigbe no gbo ko obe no mega gbo do wa menye ma wa me o le India na ona check India da efu yo fia India to weda e yo fia mi atogbo ya for aside. What is coming? Israel to peta gbo sese wa no chichi na mi ame ibo obe mi ode trash we adu do menye ame monkey we menye Israel to we ya fifia mi abe minister o left my what is past, what history are we supposed to share? Shared history and shared future. What history? Wicked history. That is what we have to share. Wicked history. Disappointment history. Egomede. Disappointment history. Elegome senamde. Aha. Mi ato mago ko fe kra o. Mi na mi abonku ne bia. Mi na mi abonku menevu. Be mi ameka who did this? Who wrote this thing? Who wrote this thing? Who made this picture? I am disappointed in the person who made this picture. Are we going into slave trade again? Are we going into slave trade again? Disappointed MP.